Good. Is that tender?
Mm.
We have to check the arches there. From the knee down, genuvarum, genuvalgum, nice and straight. No, the left knee is definitely internally rotated though. Okay, that's good. So we do have a little bit of bowing on this Achilles tendon. Okay, does all of this on the left feel like the right? Does this feel the same? No way. We'll look at your neck a little bit differently when you're laying down, okay?
Okay.
All right, so looking at the glutes here, we're gonna trace up to the bottom of the glute fold like this. It's definitely lower on the right. That means your right hip is going back like this. Okay, let your head relax. Good, keep going, keep bending. Good, let your head relax though. Let your head go down, all the way, all the way, all the way. Okay, good, no curvatures here. Definitely have some prominence here in the right lumbar spine. Good, no curvatures in your spine, but you definitely have some muscle stuff like that. That sucks, right?
Yeah. A little bit.
Okay, one side more than the other. Right, left, right, left.
I think right.
Okay. Good, shoulders sinking. Okay, so I'm going to check 3 different sets of neurological tissues here. So we have, is that tender?
Mm-mm.
1. Tender?
No.
Good, 2. 3. Tender?
No.
Good. Good, down. Good, left side. Good, down. Left short, stays short. That points to the right SI. The right SI was tender on compression. All right, so I'm going to adjust the lumbar spine, okay? Good, and out. Good, shoulders relaxing. Good, let this all loose. Good, hold on, there's more though. Lay me back. Okay, gently, I'm gonna bend this leg like that. Good, we're just gonna here. Gentle, you're breathing. Good, let it all go. Good. Okay, lay your back. Bring this down a little bit more loose. Let the shoulders loose. Good. Okay, lay on your back. Right there. Good, let this sink in. Good. Here, just let it relax. Let me do it. It's a full spine adjustment, okay? I'm gonna use this towel to support your neck. You okay if I do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna go like this and like this. Okay, lay your chin down. As you breathe out, I'm gonna follow your breath like this, and then we're gonna pull like that, okay?
Okay.
Good, we're gonna follow the next breath. Good, and out. Good. Breathe. Move your neck around a little bit. Does your neck hurt at all?
A little bit.
Where?
Like
Okay.
in the middle.
What?
Feels weird. I get told that all the time.